What's up, guys? Welcome to another this is the map that's called Bucks County PA map. Today this is my planting tracker with a 1775 NT John Deere, and this is basically kind of like a farm tour, and we'll get maybe do some farming if I have time today. But this is our 9620R. This is our 8370R. And then this is my 9570R. And then my Kilbo's grain cart hooked up to an 8R 410. And then I got my two combines over here. This is our S700 off with the folding hoppers, and then this is my John Deere S670, same like folding hoppers, and I'll get in. So yeah, this is what it basically looks like. Kind of know what the S-Series what kind of looks like. From like kind of like older to new. Got the Gen 5 display monitors in here. And this is a nice combine. Not really. We're getting close to starting sunflower harvest, so stay tuned for that. And this is my cow shed. I really haven't bought any cows yet, but I'm storing a header in here at the moment. So, and then here's my header. Kind of using got a little store right now. Might buy another. Well, I do got another shed. And then this is my John Deere air seeder, C850, and then the seeder part is a P576, and then this is my farm pickup. And then over here, this is my fertilizer spreader. And then switch over here. Well, this is my tracker. I followed this one, and then I didn't have time to I didn't really have much time to move it. So, and then I got, I believe we're going to another field, so basically kind of farm 19620R. If you have a person in the background, it's my brother. He's kind of he can be annoying sometimes, but don't. Now we just gotta flashes on. Now we're gonna go. I believe I have 6 full cultivated, full 5, so this shouldn't be a very big field. I'm gonna kick them up, just kidding. Water pay for these. I know it can be a better. What other maps should you guys recommend me maybe trying to play on? Like, I'm on Xbox, so I don't have like PC mods and that stuff. So just I could play any map that's like all platforms on it, like that's for all platforms. But one of my favorite maps that I love to play is that I love playing Speed Map, and then on my PlayStation I do have Thompson 25. So stay tuned for those videos too. Yeah. Whoa. This video is probably going to be maybe, I don't know how long it'll be. It might maybe be 20 or 15-minute video. I'm not for sure yet. Oh, I don't know. Probably be 25-minute video. That's good. Now I'm getting closer to the field. I hope I can turn right here and get across to the field. I'm going to, then when I'm all done, I'm gonna take this tractor back to the farm and wash it, and maybe put it back in the shed. And one kind of the fact that I didn't see the field. Beautiful. Alright, come on. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, they want me to cultivate this field. I probably could. Now I just gotta unfold. I have to probably pull up a little bit before I go hit that tree. Need to field, and now we'll lower it, and now we're disking this field. I'm doing some concepts to try to get some money. And try to maybe, I don't know if I should trade one of my combines in the future, and for next 9. I might do that, but what's your favorite tractor? And leave it in the comments below. And whoever has the most comment of their favorite tractor will do a video of that tractor, and I'll keep it, and whatever your guys' favorite combine, we'll do that in another video. So crew, can you please go? I'm making a YouTube video right now. Kind of sorry about my brother kind of messing around. Oh, come on. Please don't do this. I'm gonna probably have to come back for those steps. I'm gonna get realigned. I'm gonna go back and get some steps. I don't like skipping it. I'm just always kind of worried about hitting the trees. I don't know. Good idea. It's not bad for And what map should I play on next? It's kind of maybe thinking maybe we can pull up. I might want to do a video on the Edgewater Saskatchewan map. So that'll probably be my next video I'll make. That might be sometime maybe tomorrow afternoon, maybe, probably. I'm not really for sure yet, but if I am not able to, I'll just make a post and let you know if I don't, I'm still not able to. Might not do any more videos today because of severe weather, this kind of some severe weather that's gonna be coming in my area, and I don't want to be doing I would hate to do a video and then the tornado sirens go off, and then yeah. But I might do I'll let you I'll you guys updated and maybe on some sorts, and because actually tornado might do a long video. I'll probably stand. I'll watch probably for a minute and then like yeah. Hopefully, well, I don't think it's too bad. So guys, I do real life farming too. I have a real life farm. We do cattle, and we have combines. We do wheat harvest. We harvest wheat and milo. Wheat harvest is just around the corner, and stay tuned for that. And I'm basically kind of hopefully there might not be as much maybe farm simulator content during the summer, but there might maybe be some in July and August maybe. It might depend if we get rained out, but it's usually kind of not really supposed to be what has happened before. Oh, kind of bad, but it's okay. A little bit harder to do on the spot sometimes. If you because some of these trees will grow a little bit. Yeah. And check out my friend. His name's Cameron. Cameron, and kind of changed his channel name to like Cameron Hardworking. I think that's what he character too. And then check out my brother Matt Farming, and I'm probably gonna have to like type in continue to check out those channels, and please like and subscribe, and please subscribe to my friend's channel and my brother's channel. So and maybe try to, and hopefully me and my brother and my friend can maybe get and maybe we can maybe try to maybe get some good views and comments and likes. Right now we're kind of not getting as much because I just started because it kind of took me a while to figure it out. But I finally got it today. Well, I'm gonna do one more like past right here. And I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do a little bit. I started YouTube on my YouTube channel yesterday morning. I figured it out yesterday. I was gonna do a video of me and my girl performing, but it didn't really end up really well because I had to change full filters, and then we have an old chisel and it had like this ugly thing that kept just going too deep, and the tractor was not too happy. No bad video. We should probably have a couple. I'm not real sure. I'm gonna take an estimate that field might be probably 30 acres. So, after this field, I'm gonna head back to the farm, and I'll probably get back to the farm. That's gonna be a stopping point, and then I'll probably make some shorts, and stay tuned for the shorts. And stay tuned for more videos. I did a little farm tour at the start, kind of like show everyone. tell everyone that I'm selling on the farm and my farm on farm selling comes you and on my tractors. This one ain't too bad. Right? Let me zoom out real quick. I should secure them about that part right there. Now, and now if you guys can start to kind of hear little noises in the background, or rather being annoying. I don't know what my brother and I he's been and playing on the PlayStation. He's been making vids. I think he might be making vids about teardown, maybe our farm simulator. So, yeah, so, when it's, when I start sunflower harvest, it's gonna be, I'm not real sure. So, might wanna buy some jobs back here. Everything seems to go well. I might get out and see how it's going. I'm like it's doing a good job. Ooh, I forgot to do that part. Oh, why don't we start this? Sorry about that. I don't know what day I'll start maybe getting going from the game and I'm ready, but I got corn headers ready to go, so and I guess I'll probably let you guys know on a short when we'll be starting it. And I'll be starting maybe pretty soon. Pretty soon. I wonder, should I get a K715 quad track or a John Deere 549 RX, which is the newer tractors and this tractor. So just let me know in the comments, and if you want to go for the 715 quad track, I'll do that. And or if you like John Deere, just put in the comments John Deere 99540, and then we'll 549 RX, 549 RX, and comments. Now we just gotta hold it up. Now I'm gonna collect the contract money real quick. I'll collect that. I wonder what else they want me to do. I don't know. Working out very much contracts. So now we'll pull it up, and now we'll get back to the farm. Like that. Turn the flashes on. And now we look for cars. No cars. It's not too far at home. in the summer. I don't know if this is gonna get a lot of views or subscribers. I want to. If you have a farm and you want to learn how to drive a big four-wheel drive tractor, it's basically kind of simple once you get the hang of it, and that's cool. Now I'm kind of halfway to the farm. Let's go. And that's my cornfield that I have to harvest too. Forgot about that cornfield. And I'll probably put my planter in the shed. I probably could have turned there. I'm not really sure if that's the way to turn. Or to the farm or not. I'm not sure yet. Kind of ignore that the gator flipped. I'm gonna flip that back over. I'm gonna get one more time. Stay tuned for that. And I think I got more sunflower. I'm gonna buy that sunflower field. Well, my annoying brother's kind of laughing, so I'm kind of sorry about that he's kind of running in a little bit, but some days if I can try to here. Whoa, sorry about that. Since it's just kind of little, I don't really like it because trees, bushes. Later I might change to that. I cut some trees down so that way I can just get some equipment for it, and instead of just really kind of don't like the trees. Something that makes them up cool. Now we're gonna wash this off. Wash it. Like this, turn it off. Now we're gonna wash the tractor. Well, no, we're gonna wash the tractor. Oh, nice, clean. And get some of the handy clean soap on there. Oh yeah, and clean makes equipment look good. Yeah. One of my favorite YouTubers is the Runnerman Buck. Yeah. He's my favorite YouTuber. He's done a farm series where he does like Andy clean series, like a clean kind of farm series, and a soap, kind of soap that John Deere has. Watches some of his videos, and he's one of my favorite YouTubers, and hopefully all the usually we won't like it. One of the thing with that. I'm just gonna watch this off real quick. Rinse this off, put it in the shed, and then I'll probably at the end of the video. I don't know if I want to practice. I won't practice. Kind of do get my grain cart in the way. Might be getting a new grain cart soon. I probably will be. Kind of wanted to try to use that mod. Because I haven't probably used that mod. I'm kind of. Yeah, let's get Mr. Pull in here. Turn. I do like these sheds that like that. And now we're just gonna put the planter on the shed, and then that'll be in the video. Now I just gotta fold it up, planter up. Guess I'm just doing some things, getting it ready for spring. Stay tuned for planting season, and now we've got back this up in the shed. I'm probably gonna hook I'm gonna leave the planters here for now, and then I might go and take him to buy a shed, and like place it down somewhere. And I'm gonna put this packer in the shed. Shed will close down. Guys, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.